it's Dan from Seeking Tiki here with my first episode of Dan's RV cooking show. Today I'm going to be making chili beef stir fry. Alright, so right here I am making the marinade. I am using some sambal chili sauce, some garlic paste, some light soy sauce, and some sesame oil, and a little bit of baking soda just to tenderize the beef for a few hours. So right here I am slicing the steak. I'm using skirt steak, which is one of our favorites, and I'm slicing it very thinly against the grain into little 1x2 bite-sized pieces. Now I'm putting all my meat slices in the bag with the marinade, and I'm gonna marinate mine for about 8 hours in the fridge before I start cooking dinner. Right now I'm slicing all my vegetables. I'm using some bell pepper, some onion, some green onion, and some carrot. You could slice this ahead of time, just keep it in the fridge, or you could slice it when you're about to cook dinner. Right now, I'm soaking the noodles in hot water. I've made this mistake before of soaking the noodles too long, so I'm actually not using any boiling water. I'm just pouring hot water into a bowl, then putting the noodles into the bowl for about 3 minutes, so that should give me the perfect texture for the noodles when I'm ready to put it in the stir fry. Alright, now I'm adding some oil, putting my vegetables in. I'm using one of my favorites, avocado oil. It's a very high smoke point, and it's also a neutral flavored oil. So I should have done this ahead of time, but I'm making my sauce real quick. Just light soy sauce, sesame oil, sambal chili sauce, and a little bit of corn flour just to thicken things up. And I'm taking the vegetables out and putting my beef in. That way the pan is hot just to get a good sear on the beef. Now I'm putting all my vegetables back in, get everything incorporated, putting my noodles in right now, getting everything heated up, and right now I'm about to put in my sauce, and I'm just going to stir fry everything all together for a few more seconds and plate everything up. And here is the finished product.